Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you something I recently bought from Hermes. Without further ado, let's take a look. Here it is. Let me take it out. This one is in the color Etoupe with the palladium hardware and in Epsom leather. Let's take a closer look first, and then I'll show you what can fit inside and also some mug shots for different ways that you can wear it and how it looks on me in the end. Let's take a closer look at the back first. I believe it's the same as the regular Constance wallet in terms of size and inside structures. The to-go just has an extra strap which you can attach to it. Then you can wear it as a crossbody handbag. It has a small H buckle in the front. It's much smaller than the H buckle on the regular Constance. And then on the back, it has a very spacious compartment here. I think it can. Let's see later if it can fit a phone. Alright, now let's open it up and check the interior. Let me remove this. There's one compartment here, and then there are two main layers, one here, one here. Then there's a zippered compartment in the middle here. So moving to the back here, there are 6 card slots, and there are 2 additional layers here for cash, or I think even a passport and other items. And at the top here, as you can see, these are the loops for attaching the shoulder straps, which I'll show you later. Now let's see what we can fit inside. I brought something that I usually carry with me. First, I have an old iPhone here. It's the 8 Plus, which is about the same size as the 14 Pro. Let's try putting it in the back. Yep, it fits perfectly, so it should be just as fine in the main compartment. Let's see. So we can put it here with no problem. Definitely inside here or here. I wonder if it will fit inside here. Let's see. Yep, it does. Okay, that's great. Let me actually put the phone in the back. This is where I usually put my phone so I can get it in and out easily. Then let's start with my absolute essentials. This is my LV 6-ring key holder that I carry with me every day. So let me put that inside here. So something to note about this wallet is that because of the size here, you can see it's kind of like limited. So if you put like bulky things in, this will be stretched out too much and then you wouldn't be able to close it on the front. So for example, I have a compact powder here, which is kind of bulky. If I put it there, I mean, right now it can still close, but it's gonna stretch the sides too much. So let's not do that. Thinner items like this one, you wouldn't have any problems. All right, so let's put the powder here. And then I have a lipstick. Then this is my hand cream. I always carry a hand sanitizer with me nowadays, but I don't think this one will fit. It's kind of bulky. Let's see. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't be able to close it. So instead, I can just carry a bag of hand wipes, which can fit in here nicely. This is already a wallet. You don't really need to carry an extra wallet. You can put your cards or IDs in these slots here. And the middle compartment is where you can put some important receipts or cash, if you will. I think if you're traveling with it, you should be able to fit your passport. Let me actually put it here. These are really everything I normally carry. Let's see if it closes. I think it should. Yes, it does. All right, let's see. So you can see that the sides stretched a bit, but I don't think it's too bad. I would not put more things in, even though the front part here seems to have some room, because it will make it really hard to close in the front here. So as you can see, it's really handy and it definitely fits my daily essentials. I think it's such a nice small bag for a date night or going out for shopping or dinner. It's also a very versatile bag that you can wear in many different ways. So now let me put on the straps to show you different ways that you can wear this and then some mug shots. Now let me show you how it looks on me. This is how it looks with the straps on. This would be the longest length. It's pretty long if you wear it on one shoulder, reaching down to my hips. If you want to crossbody it, it sits right below the waist area. I personally find it a bit too long for my body frame and to my liking. So if you want to shorten the straps, you can actually cross the two sides like this and then close it up. Now it's much shorter. It's a more suitable length for one shoulder. If you want to wear it crossbody, it will be more like a waist bag, which I don't think is a bad look. If you wear some casual outfit, it actually looks quite nice. You can also make the straps even shorter to make it underarm style. So you can loop the straps around like this and then close it up. Then you have a nice evening bag that looks more dressed up. You can also just hold it like this, or you can pull on one strap then and make it one shoulder style, which is a bit shorter than what I showed you before. I think this is the best length for one shoulder. My favorite way to wear this bag is still crossbody, so let me show you my favorite way to shorten the straps and then make it the perfect length. So this is how the straps would normally look, and you can actually detach it and reattach the straps on the opposite side, like this. So now the length would be shorter than the original one, but a little bit longer than what I showed you before when you wrap the straps around. And this is a perfect length for crossbody. It hit right at my waist area. You can also make it a handheld bag by shortening the straps even more. So you would just wrap it around twice, pull the straps out and adjust it. Now you have it. You can just wear it as a handheld bag. Lastly, you can also just hide all the straps inside, and then it would just be like the regular long wallet. Then you can use it as a nice clutch. There you have it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.